Play another Game Boy Advance game now as we are at it. And to Suomi. Now that's a rare sight. Because I just have to take your chances when you get one. Franklin the Turtle. I think playing game made for 3-year-olds and revive it on the standards of normal games should be super rich thing to do. Franklin puutarhassa. Kastellaan kukkasia. Here we go. Franklin, go. Okay. But nothing is coming out. Oh yeah, we have to fill the bucket. Now we use... Okay, and we... Oh, a whole one bucket gives only one drop. It's pathetic. You have to keep revealing, it seems. And the flowers are already dying. One drop just isn't enough. Just to keep juggling on these flowers to keep them alive. I think there just isn't enough water, and this Dark Lane Dead is too slow to keep on juggling all of them. Because I just have to forget about that third flower and just keep on doing this too. Okay. Wait a minute, I think that flower is now ready. Oh, so it doesn't need any more water after it's on that mode. Unrealistic, but at least that makes it possible to keep. By the way, I see that time is running out, and that last one, flower 3, whatever it is still on its beginning mode. At this rate I'm going to lose that game made for 3-year-olds. Damn, faster! 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 10 seconds faster! Sinä voitit. I'll play this game again. I think I'm not going to lose. Not going to almost lose this time.
Voi kun saa sen sitä tyttääkä. Amman kanssa sanoo pelkiluokaa. Nyt kovaa takana. Se on todella sepa. Sellainen yksin. Hyvä kiukset ja lasta tyttää tipasta. Rules paikka. Toivottavasti hän olisi mitään. Niin kerran kun sellainen varakka puhainen mies. Menisi vähän pihaan. Olin kapea. Jättä se karvanen perkii. Mutta minä en tiedä mitä puhuitte. Johon ihastunut voi. Olen ihastunut. Jos mä voisin mennä hänen tielensä sanoa, minä rakastan sinua, mutta ei. Sellainen ei vain onnistu. Mutta minun tekisi mielessä tyttää. Niin kovasti teki.
Let's see what other games there are. Pyöräkilpailu. It seems our enemy is bear. This is going to be rogue. Okay, it seems you have to keep indeed clicking the A button, or in my case the keyboard button. I do have a proper pad, but I haven't bothered to put it into use with this emulator in question. Don't have anyone. That's impossible. I can't keep pressing the button vasten on keyboard. If I was using proper pad, that bear was dead. It's annoying. I'm not playing this kind of